Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on my go-to glam eyeshadow look. This is the look I wear all the time whenever I need to go somewhere and wear eyeshadow. It's quick and easy for me to do. And so if you would like to see how I create it, then keep on watching. And so this video is going to be focused on the eyes. My eyelids are already primed with concealer and powder, so I'm gonna go straight into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette today. Like I've been doing in my past few videos, I'm gonna do one eye on camera and the other one off camera. And so I'm gonna start off by taking the shade Orange Soda, and I'm gonna take it on a Morphe B79 brush, and I'm gonna run that through my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease too, and I'm going to put it a little bit lower than I put that first shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Rustic, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to put this on my outer corner, and I'm going to blend it into my crease. I'm going to take my Morphe M573 brush again, and I'm just going to blend a little bit more, just whatever is left on the brush. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, so I'm going to use some concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 brush in the shade Rustic, and I'm going to blend the edges where the eyeshadow and the concealer meet. Next, I'm going to take the shade Glistening, and I'm going to take it on a Beach Studio Pro number 9 brush, and I'm going to put that on the concealer on my eyelid. Okay, so that is what the eye is looking like. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish my other eye. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll be back to finish up my eyes. For mascara today, I'm gonna use the Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. My eyelashes have already been curled, so I'm gonna go straight in with this. For false lashes, you can really do whatever. I mix it up all the time. This look looks really good with any sort of lash. But today I'm going to use the Ardell Double Up Double Demi Wispies, and I'm going to apply it with my House of Lashes eyelash glue like always. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to finish off my eyes. I'm first going to add some eyeliner to my waterline. This is the Ulta Beauty eyeliner and shadow crayon. It doesn't have a name. I think I got it in one of their advent calendars, but it's this pretty brown, like bronzy color. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take the shade Rustic. I'm going to take it on a little shader brush, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange on a BH Studio Pro number 8 brush, and I'm going to blend the Rustic shade out with this. Now I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda on the Morphe B79 brush again, and I'm going to blend those two colors out. And now for mascara, I'm going to add a coat of the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara to my bottom eyelashes. Okay everybody, that was the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you're subscribed. If there's anything else that you would like to see from me, leave a comment down below, and I will see you all next time.